Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Minecraft server. First, you want to open up your browser and head to www.minecraft.net/download. Once you're here, you want to go to the multiplayer server and just download that. While that's downloading, which it shouldn't take that long at all, you want to make a new folder and name it Minecraft server, or name it whatever you want. Then you're going to drag your download into that folder, and for now you're done with the internet, just for a little. Now double click it and run it, and it should create new folders such as that, and I'm just going to skip till it's done. Okay, now that it's done, you just want to do stop, and it should take a little bit to stop, and while it's stopping, we can head into the server properties, and in here, these are the properties. You can allow the nether, change it to false, and the world name, like let's say you bring in a custom map and it's named something else, you can change this to that custom map's name and stuff, and it'll go to that world. So you can have multiple worlds. You can allow flight, server port, you want to keep that the same, and level type default, level seed, server IP, max build height, spawn NPCs, whitelisted, and spawn animals. Online mode is, let's say you want to have cracked clients, you just do /false and save it, because that'll allow cracked clients to get on. And PvP true, basically you can read through that yourself. Now, and difficulty, it's 1 to 3, 3 being hard. I mean, it's 0 to 3, 0 being peaceful, 1 being easy, 2 being normal, and 3 being hard. So just save it. And now from here you want to go to your CMD, control panel, or whatever it's called. Open that up and do ipconfig/all. In here you want to find your internet on wireless LAN adapter, and that's what I want to find your default gateway. So mine is 192.168.1.1. So now that I'm going to open my browser up again and go to that 192.168.1.1, and it'll ask for a password. Most it's just admin, and that doesn't work. Ask one of whoever owns this Wi-Fi or whatever. And from here you want to head to applications and gaming, or however you port forward on your whatever it's called, router, or I think it's modem, I'm not really sure. And here you want to make a Minecraft server. I've already filled it out, and to get this number you want to open up this CMD and look for your IP4 address. Mine is 192.168.1.125. So we don't need this anymore, and close that, enable it, and make sure it's set to both, or if you don't have that option, just make a whole new one with the same exact thing, except this would be TCP and that would UDP. That doesn't really matter. You need to have both though, so just save your settings, continue. And this is the step most people miss. If they have two internet boxes, like a router and a modem, they usually only get the one box port forwarded. So to get to the next one, you want to go to your status, or however you find it, router information and internet connection, and you want to find that default gateway. Mine's 192.168.254.254. So I'm just gonna copy that number, open up a new tab, and go to that. Now in here I have a WinStream SpeedStream 4300, and to port forward on this you just want to head to setup, port forwarding, and add a protocol, TCP, and the port's going to be 25565, 25565, apply, and then you want to do the same exact thing but with UDP. once that's done, just apply, and it should be port forwarded now. Now you're done with the internet. Well, actually, while it's up, you just want to go to what is myip.org, and that's the IP you're going to give to your friends with a, so it would look like this. Then it'd be :25565, and you just give that to your friends, and that's the IP they'd enter. But now that we have that, we want to allow it in the firewall. So we want to head to Control Panel, System and Security, Windows Firewall, allow a program or feature through the Windows Firewall. By the way, this is on Windows 7, and oops, that's the wrong thing. You wanted to Advanced Settings, actually. Click Inbound Rules, New Rule, Port. The port, you want to choose TCP, and you want to go to the port 25565. Allow the connection, and make sure you have all these checked off, and then you can just name it whatever. And you want to do that exact same thing. Port UDP now instead of TCP 25565. Allow the connection, make sure all three are checked, and now name it whatever you want again. And finish. And now it should be port forward, and it should work now. So you just want to open up your Minecraft server again, and see it's in offline mode, so anyone can join, even cracked clients. And now that it's up, you want to open up your Minecraft. Okay, now that I'm in Minecraft, you want to go to multiplayer, direct. You can do direct or save it as a server. You want to type in local host :25565. And I have a worse spawn. So basically, that's how it works. And I'm not sure if in regular you won't be able to destroy anything near the spawn. And so if you want to make yourself an operator, just open up the command, whatever, and do op, and then your name. And that's it. Thanks for watching.